Today, in this episode, it is something very unusual and very beautiful because in studio we have two of the best friends who once thought of starting a business and they get it done. And now they have re-engineered their career by taking their friendship to business partners. They are none other than Margi and Payal, who are the visionary co-founders of Party Buzz, a leading event management company and a customized gift solution in Dubai. Welcome to another exciting episode of the Reengineered podcast. Myself, Madhusmita Nayak, your host. Welcome Payal and welcome Margi to my podcast.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
Our studio is looking so lovely and bright because it's party and you have that party vibes.
Yes.
So tell me how it all got started and how you both became friends and you decided, no, let's start business, and then you started it.
I moved to Dubai actually in 2016,
Okay.
and there was no such thought, what I will do when I'll go to Dubai. But when I came here through a family friend, I met Payal and we became friends. That was again a common Gujju friend, like one of my cousins.
So you both are from Gujarat.
Yes, we
Yes.
both are from Gujarat, born and brought up in Baroda. So in the same place, we have been born and brought up. We never
Okay.
met before.
Okay.
Even universities same.
Same.
So you studied in the same university
Yes,
and you
yes.
didn't know before?
No.
Okay.
No.
Where you
we met in
first
Dubai.
met? Okay.
So that was our destiny maybe.
Okay.
So we met in 2016 first time, and I moved here with my husband in 2016 only. So when I came here, I had no idea what to do, with my life, with my career. And my son was around 4 years old. So I was more like, full-time mom. And then I had, something I wanted to do, but I had no idea where
What
to
to
go,
do.
what to do. Even I had no friends, like not a big number of friends, I can say. I was not aware of the market, like, what Dubai is exactly. So slowly, I can say I was learning. And meanwhile, I was taking, art classes at home.
Okay.
I had a few kids.
Why art? You're passionate about?
Yes, that's what I was passionate about actually. Art, craft, and a lot of things, around that. So when I thought to do something, I asked her, like I asked Payal,
Okay.
like, are you interested if we can we do something, forward in this art and craft or something like that. So meanwhile, in 2019, we did
Party at my home actually. It was Christmas party we
Yes.
arranged. So initial thought was to do party basically.
Okay.
And then we thought let's have something we do decorate. Let's decorate the hall and make a photo booth. And the first time we
For yourself, for
Yes,
your own party.
Yes, for
Yes.
own party,
Yes.
for our party. And okay, for first time it was not that good, but not that bad also. It was quite good to encourage ourselves at that point of time.
Okay.
And we thought, okay, this is the time, and we want to do something in this area only.
In party and
in
event.
party
Event
and
planning.
events for decorations and all other management things.
Okay.
So that time we.
So your
thought-
Christmas party was in your house was the
First.
actually the game changer
Yes,
for
yes,
you.
yes.
And both of you don't have background in event management.
Nothing.
No, none of
Not
us.
at all.
Actually, by profession, both of us should be teachers.
Okay.
I
So
have
you
been teaching back in India. I think till 2016 when I moved here. Before that, I was a science teacher in higher secondary section, and I was teaching them biology. So that was totally different thing, and I was very happy with that job because my elder son was he was around 4-5 months when I joined that job, and
Okay.
I was very happy because I had to go 2-3 hours only.
Okay.
So I was managing him, I was managing all my day, my house,
yeah.
and my
You're
baby
balancing,
yeah.
taken care properly. I was very happy with that job. So that time I had no other thought. I was like, I will go with the flow,
Okay.
and that
So
was
teaching
going
was your-
perfectly. Teaching.
So Payal actually re-engineered your career.
Thought was mine
Okay.
to
Yes.
do this, and then I wanted a partner. I always wanted, I never wanted to go solo.
Okay.
Because sometimes I can say when you feel when you feel low, when you're feeling like things are not going according to your expectation, there should be someone to encourage you, to boost your, I
Moral,
can say,
yeah.
moral. So I always wanted someone like that, and I found her perfect for that.
Okay, and did
Believe
you, Payal, find Margie as a perfect, or
Of
how you
course.
decided that she's the right partner?
Actually, beginning she was and she is my best friend.
Okay.
This is the friendship is the first thing, and then we thought, okay, we have to do something. So then it come the name. Okay, so name was also she suggested that
Party
let's
buzz.
go with
Yes.
the party buzz because this is a party related thing. So let's go with this. So the name was she suggested, and then we thought that. Why not as a business if we are best friends, then why not we will be the best partners also in business.
Okay.
And
After how many years of friendship you started this business?
Hardly 2-3 years.
Oh.
3 years.
Yes,
3 to
3
4.
years maximum. 2016 October I moved here. So in 2020
Yeah,
we
3
were
to
on
4, yeah.
party buzz.
Party buzz,
Okay.
yes.
Very good, very good. And many congratulations, because I think many friends talk about this over tea and snacks and all that, like let's start together, but you have proved it. And how many clients you have till date?
More than 600.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
In a span of how many years?
4.
4 years. Big number. And just to start off, because for as a party and event management company and customized gifts, so how was your journey, like, when you started, how much you have invested into that, and how was it?
You want me to say everything true?
Yeah, definitely.
Whatever is. I actually will tell you. We have started with zero. Okay.
Zero investment?
So zero investment. I mean to say we were totally, we were like, we will get the first advance and we will start everything with that. And we
Okay.
actually got that. So we only thing we had to do is to spread the word. Okay, so we have told a few friends, if you're finding someone who's looking for decor or something, related to events, just give my number, just send my number. And this is how it began.
Okay.
So we got our first client, and we had a meeting with them, and for the first time, like when we got our advance, we got ourselves equipped from that amount only.
From the advance amount
From
given
the
by the
advance,
client.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes.
You both don't have event management background.
Yeah.
How were you able to convince the first client that please come to us? When I hope there were many event management companies in Dubai.
Yes,
So how you
yes.
convinced your client, like, come to us?
That is the trick.
We can't spill the beans everywhere.
Okay, fine. But it was your relationship management or...
Yes.
or
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Good, we can say it was an advantage being Gujju. The client was also Gujju.
Yes.
So they actually trusted us.
Okay. So
In
it's
that case-
about the trust factor.
Trust,
that
yes.
they
and it's
have.
a God grace.
Yeah.
He agreed.
And how was the feedback after the event?
Amazing.
You were very happy.
You can't believe they gave us more money, which we already decided.
Okay.
In
They
the
paid us
first
more.
event only, we got the more money.
So-
for
Yeah,
that.
Yes.
than the negotiated
The
amount.
family was
Yes.
so happy, like
Happy with
they
everything.
paid us more than we have decided.
Yes.
So does Guju factor plays a big role?
Yeah, for first
Initial
To
event,
get
days.
the work, it
initially,
works.
yeah,
It
yeah.
Initial
works.
days.
It
Definitely.
helps us, of course.
But later on, what happened?
But we have to
Yeah.
deliver.
Yeah,
right?
of course.
Huh.
And then the work will be with the word of mouth. When people like it, they recommend it, and we done the work.
So you started the first event from your first advance.
Yes.
Then what is your marketing strategy for the upcoming, like you have got more than 600 clients now?
Yes.
What is the marketing strategy that you have
Then-
done for
Yes.
scaling up
Yes.
from 1 to 600 in a span of 4 years?
Yes. There are many things. In initial time, we have to think lots of things about. First, we have to start itinerary, that what the things we have and what we can do. So
Okay.
slowly we try to capture all that things.
Like?
Then, like is a party. So we
Okay.
need lots of things for decorations. We need stand. We need decorative items. After that, transportation, labors, everything will come
Okay.
one by one part. So all slowly and steadily we go with the flow. First of all, always we start with the designs, and then slowly and steadily we do the things.
Okay, so you plan it very structured way.
Yes,
Yes.
So
yes.
what are the first steps that you do as event management or any event management company that goes when they find a client, what are the few steps that they have to do or they have to do for starting a event management company?
I would say, not from my experience only, but what I have seen in the market, I would say jumping into this market is very easy.
Okay.
Firstly, but you have to, if you want to grow, if you want to, I can say, stay in the market consistently, if you want to keep, working, first thing, don't jump into it in hurry. You
Okay.
have to be patient. And one more thing, main thing is, we always think like, we want this or that equipments and we'll immediately go and get those things. No.
And store it in
And
our
store it,
inventory.
yes,
Yeah.
because storage is the biggest issue.
In
You,
event
yes,
management.
in one or two events, you will keep, you will have a lot of things to store after one or two events only. So we have to think about that also.
Okay.
So whatever we have to manage with a lot of things. We have to, and whatever we need to purchase, we have to plan it for a long term. So first thing, we did not jump into the market, we can say. We came to the market, we understood the market, we understood the requirements. We have all the equipments now. Today we have a lot of things.
Okay.
But we did not buy everything from the first day. So we went step by step. According to event requirements, we got the things. According to event requirements, we got the labor. So now we can say we have tried and tested team. We have equipments. We have place to store them. But everything did not happen overnight.
Over in
So-
day one
Yeah.
itself.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we, that was, from day one, we were very sure that we will not, go, we are not in hurry. We are doing it for fun, first thing.
For your passion.
Yes.
For our
Yeah.
passion. So we were not in hurry to, make a lot of money, we can say. Obviously, it is important. Vitamin M is
Yeah.
important.
I don't believe it coming from a Guju friend like this. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
But
because
but we actually went step by step only because of this reason, that we were not ready to spend a lot.
and it's so
beginning.
important. Like as you correctly said, a very important point. Start small, but be consistent.
Yes.
Yeah, and then you can scale up the
Yes.
business,
Yes.
and this is what you have done. And how happy you are when you saw the progress from client 1 to client 600, and then you see how you have progressed in the journey. So what is that one learning that has taught, what is one most important learning, I must say, that you have gained during this journey?
I can say trust is the main important thing. हम लोग ऐसे करते हैं कि जैसे कोई इवेंट है, सो हमारे लिए दैट इज आवर इवेंट. जब आप
अपना
किसी चीज
event.
को खुद का बनाते हो ना, देन इट रियली वर्क्स.
वेरी गुड.
Okay?
लाइक
छोटी
वो
छोटी
अपनापन होता है.
अपनापन
हाँ.
होता है. वो छोटी छोटी चीजें हम सोचते हैं कि नहीं यार ये यहाँ पे ठीक नहीं है, इसके बजाय ना ये लगाते हैं, देन इट लुक मोर ब्यूटीफुल. तो जब ये चीज आती है ना आपके माइंड में,
हाँ.
तो वो प्रोफेशनल से ज्यादा एक पर्सनल चीज बन जाती
Yeah,
है.
and it becomes your thing.
Yes.
And you treat client as yours.
As yours, yes.
And,
And-
do you attend clients party after doing the setup and all? आप लोग जाके attend करते हो?
There are few who invites us, one, like you.
And I must say they were the party organizer for organizing my husband's 40th birthday, and it was amazing. And I think the best part of you both is like you take the nitty-gritty of the requirements and you come up with the plan. Right.
Yes,
And
yes,
that's how I'm telling, like, you feel it as if it's yours.
Yes,
Right.
yes,
So
yes.
but any thing that you have experienced which client was not happy and you have learned from that and you have triggered it or re-engineered it at the same time and you revamped it at the nth time?
Yes, that also
Many
has
times
happened.
happens.
A lot
Many
of
times.
times. A lot of times I can say. I'll not say that everything was perfect from day one
For
until
every
date.
time, yeah.
But yes, we had setbacks. We had a few clients. What happens is nowadays we have a lot of influence of social media. So clients also come up with different demands. We got ourselves equipped. According to the current market, it is not that like, we don't have things. We have things. We do setups according to their requirement, but they still have something out of the box and all. We try to deliver that, but I cannot read somebody's mind. We need to communicate on that. Clients will come up with the pictures from Pinterest. My God, matlab, every other person is coming with a Pinterest picture.
Yeah, because the information is so much, like
Yes.
in the like it's available now readily,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
So
yes.
how you manage such client demands?
We have to explain them that the picture you are seeing on Pinterest, it was done for picture purpose only.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it is not
It will not
actually
act-
event.
It
Yeah.
will not happen really.
Yes.
Huh.
So they expect like no, there were a lot of things on the floor also when the decor was done, and then we have to make them understand that you may not get place to stand
Huh.
or walk if I'll place a lot of things on floor. So we have to be little practical. Few clients they understand. A lot of them will understand. But a few are like, no, this is stuck in my mind now. I can't accept this. You have to do this.
something.
So in that case, what do you do? How you convince such this
No,
10%
we listen to
of-
them. We listen to them.
And
We-
what you deliver, what they expect, or what you have thought in your mind?
No, what they expect.
They expect.
Yeah.
80%
Because
what they expect.
When somebody is doing an event, someone is spending a lot and want to have a good time, something which is not according to their wish, just I can say 1%. 99% everything is perfect. 1% imperfection will disturb them, and that will stay in their mind.
And it will ruin the
so it
party
will
and
ruin
the
the whole
event.
party
Huh.
mood.
Yes,
We can't do
yes.
that.
Okay.
So whatever happens, we have to listen to them.
Yeah. And any time it has happened that, okay, you have said no to the client, no, we cannot deliver this. Like sometimes it happens, right? There's too
Yes.
many demands. So what is your both decision factor that let's go ahead or let's not do this, let's not take up this client?
See, very less time it happens that we say no because our first priority to get work from
Okay.
client, okay? Because we are running business after
Vitamin
all.
M.
Vitamin M
Vitamin M
important. and we are good juice, so we can't see our work gone.
Okay, you don't let it go.
Yeah, we can't let it go.
Yeah.
Yes.
So our first priority is to get the work, but we try our best to convince them that what we have, what is their budget, and what we can maximum fit in their budget.
Okay.
And after we sometimes what happen, client cannot imagine that what after the discussion what will be the outcome of
The
the,
setup,
design.
yeah.
How
of
it
the
will
design.
look.
So what we do, we specially design full setup with computer or with my hands with
So who
colors,
designs,
pencil.
you or you?
We both can actually.
She does a lot of that sketch and all. She'll immediately do that and send it to client. If digital thing is needed, I do that.
She will
Okay.
do that.
Okay.
So we try to convince that this thing will be coming in your event for in your budget. If you need anything extra, then it will be the extra amount. If you want to feel that you have to spend, then let us know. We will arrange. But if you don't,
Okay.
then these are the thing you will definitely get. So after
Amazing.
that they understand.
So at
okay.
least when they see it, they can visualize
They
it.
visualize that,
So
okay,
because
some-
in this event or this industry or this
Yeah,
sector,
yeah.
client has something in their mind
Yes.
and they cannot express it. So you
Yes.
have to read
Yes.
or imagine
Yes.
that and
Yes.
put it into
Yes.
paper
Yes.
and then show them.
Yes.
Okay.
Many things they don't even know the name of the then they say
Yes.
that something leaf type something. Then we have to thought, okay, that they are saying about boho leaves. Then we
Okay.
have to send the picture. Are you talking about this? Then say yes, I want
Yes.
this. Okay, we
Okay.
we will do this.
Okay.
There
So-
are few clients.
Yeah.
They'll send you 5-6 pictures and they'll tell you mix it up and,
And now
do
make-
something amazing
Yeah.
out of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then we do. We'll just send them. We will put all these elements together. Are you okay with that? We'll make a sketch either or a digital design, and then we'll send the client. Client says yes, okay, fine, I'm okay with this. We'll go on with that. But there are a set of clients, I can say, they'll give you freedom of work.
Yes.
And so to bring out your creativity
Yes.
and, to the max.
So-
So saying that, how do you keep updated on creativity and innovation regularly? Like you update yourself to become more creative and innovative.
Of course, this event management thing is based on creativity. People don't want to see same designs. They are tired.
No
They-
repeat.
No
Yes.
repeat.
Yeah.
They need exactly different, something new. Even though the same concept of one decor, I can say, suppose we are doing lots of decor like a jungle theme or Cocomelon theme or princess theme, but all designs are different from others. So
Okay.
that's why they like that.
So, but how you keep yourself creative, up to date on your creativity? So you keep exploring, or
Of
what do you
course.
do?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, we
So
do.
best in market, huh?
See, social media has made everything easy, we can
Yes,
say.
yes.
So we do follow, सबके गुरु होते हैं, हमारे भी है. So but that's not one now because we are not in a school,
Can you name few
where we are
gurus'
learning.
name?
I am a fan of Nuzi Decor.
Okay.
If you have heard her name.
No, I have not.
So-
And how about you, Payal? You a fan of?
I also like the New Zealand.
So both of you.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So she does everything from scratch. So
I
we
love
made her our guru, and we do follow her designs, her style, and a lot of things. It is not only her designs. Actually, a lot of I can say, even I have been following an event planning company from USA. One is from Turkey. So I don't remember the Relam events. I think now we don't need to remember the names. Just follow them, and you will see them in your
And
social media.
you take all this and you create your own
Yes.
Yes,
ideas.
We,
So-
we always take inspiration from them. Because
But ideas
Yes.
are your completely.
Even not
yours.
ideas, we can say inventory also, because we
Yeah.
may not get the same things what they are
Correct.
using.
Correct.
So we have to, that time we have to re-engineer. Okay.
Yeah.
So I may not get the same stand she is using. I will go to my a production team and I'll tell them I want a stand like this. So the function has to be same, but the material can be different. Okay, so composition can be different, function will be same in the end. So sometimes we feel like we don't get the same decorative items in Dubai because we are following someone from other country. UK, USA may have those things,
Okay.
or India may have those things. A lot of
But we
event
don't get over
companies-
here in
Yeah.
our
Yes,
regional market.
in India, I can say India is biggest inspiration because we have a lot of event planners from India. They do giant weddings, big fat weddings, and they do amazing decor.
Different
Indian
categories.
weddings are at
Totally
another level.
Another level.
World can't match it. Believe
Like
me.
now they have started sustainable wedding.
Wedding.
Like wedding where everything is sustainable.
Yes,
Yeah.
sustainable items and disposable items, and they are reusing a lot of things, and so it's amazing actually. India is at a different level, I can say, in this thing. So we do follow them also, and then we have learned few things like whatever you have to rearrange it each and every time.
Re-engineer it.
Re-engineer it.
And
Correct.
jugaad and make jugaad technique
Yes.
to make it happen
Yes,
so that
yes.
somehow the look and feel and the experience remains the same.
Yes.
Yes.
Amazing. And in that case also, what is your mantra? Like, to make it more cost effective, as you correctly said, you started from zero investment and you always have that mindset of keeping it very lean in terms of cost. So
Yes.
what is your mantra that you follow?
There is no such mantra till date. So we actually
Or your technique maybe, like, what do you
technique,
make it?
I can
Yes.
say yes. So first thing, keep in mind that you whatever amount you are spending for material should be limited.
Okay.
So you cannot spend like anything. From day one, maybe because we had to buy a lot of things. It was beginning, but now I can say after 4 years we have a lot.
Okay.
So first thing, what we try is we try to convince the client with the things we have.
Okay.
Firstly,
Okay.
it is not that we don't want to grow. We want to grow,
But you you make optimum use
yes,
of the
client should
material.
have the budget, right? So there are two types of client. One comes with a fixed budget. I want everything to be done in this budget.
So you customize as per client requirement.
Yes.
Yes.
You
yes.
can take any kind of client, like means the customization package starts from anything minimum you have, or you can do at any
No, no,
level.
We can do at any level. You can
Oh,
say
amazing.
You can say 100 to 1 lakh.
Also
we are
you
ready to
can
do
do-
that.
yes,
Yes,
yes.
we have done. We have done
100
events.
dirhams.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
For that also we have done. Yes, of
Okay,
course.
100
In beginning
dirhams
we done
too.
that
Even
also. Yes.
few months before we have a client, she has a boutique, and she we were already in a decor. She just sent me a picture that tomorrow morning I want this heart shaped frame for my boutique.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, we had no idea, like what time we will go and buy the supplies for that. We needed a few things for that, so we had no idea what time we will go and buy the supplies. So we called someone, like, go to my store and check if there is a metal wire or if there is something like this. We had a metal wire already in the store. We have put few things on it, like few supplies, few of our material. We told him, remove everything, get the wire, keep it ready, and we have to do something with that tomorrow morning. So next day all our things were lying on the floor. Wire was kept in a corner. Morning 6 o'clock, I think. Night, I think by 12 or 1 we slept. We finished everything. We came home. We had dinner. Around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock we went to sleep. Morning 6 o'clock I went to her place. We have to do this. Okay, we made that heart frame. We sent the picture to the client, and we were like, we are ready to deliver what time you want it,
Okay.
and we have delivered it. It was actually a minimum cost, I can say delivery, but we did it because we wanted to try that thing.
Yeah, and so good. Like, for 100 dirhams also order,
Yes.
you both have put effort and to deliver that. It's amazing and incredible.
Thank you.
And maybe all clients are not happy. Maybe initially you might have struggle days too. So who helped you during your initial days, and who was actually a mentor and supporter during your initial days?
The first person name come in my mind is our husband's name.
Okay.
Because
So they were there
they
with you.
help us a lot.
From day one.
Day one.
From day one they were
Yes.
there because
Yes.
the first requirement is, freedom. I can say first thing is freedom. I am not telling that our husbands are giving us freedom. I'll not project it in that way. It's not about freedom. It's more about, mentally we were confident that nobody is, pulling us behind. Or nobody is going to ask us, after the whole day, a tiring event, if I'll go home, somebody will ask me where is my food or where is my this or
The
that
support
thing.
that you
Yeah.
get
So
in the family.
that's a big
Definitely,
thing actually.
definitely.
So we never had that thing in or that pressure in our mind, like we have to answer someone or we have to go home and do a lot of work. They were managing, I can say.
Yeah, because you
So-
both were housewife, right?
Yes,
So and you
yes.
were completely there for their
Yes.
Yes.
address for
And
for
another
meeting their
issue is when
requirements.
we
Huh.
began, it was beginning of COVID, the
Ah,
biggest,
okay.
I can say the
Yeah.
toughest thing.
Yes.
So when we wanted a lot of house help, we wanted to do this, we wanted to concentrate on our work, we wanted a lot of house help during that period, but we were scared. It was COVID time.
Yeah,
We
because of
cannot, let
restrictions,
anybody
yes,
enter the
yes.
house immediately. And that was the time, like we had to manage both the things at the same time. And our husband also worked, I can say, day and night.
So there were events during COVID too.
Yes, a few, but there were events.
Okay, where you?
A lot of restrictions were there. I think that moment, if you are according to hall size or according to place,
the capacity.
a
and
capacity,
all.
yes.
Yes,
So you can
yes.
have only limited number of people in an event, and that was a time we came up with an amazing, option, and somebody was there to support us. I can
Okay.
say we have been benefited with that. We were marketing on IWD. If you have heard the name, Indian Women in Dubai.
Okay.
So that was a Facebook group. We were doing. She has allowed Sunday like free marketing posts were allowed
Who
in
is,
the group. Rima
Rima?
Mahajan.
Okay.
She is the founder of the group, and we were posting our ads every Sunday, and that helped us like anything I can say. So till date, we haven't spent a single penny for marketing.
Amazing.
So
Yes.
that was the
Seriously,
time.
zero
Zero
marketing.
Zero
Yeah,
marketing.
never paid
But
marketing.
you not paid marketing, but
Yeah.
you do attend all the network events and
Yes, a
Yes,
lot
yes.
of them.
Okay.
A lot
But
of
in
them.
that time, I say Rima group was amazing for that also, and she gave us opportunity to do beach setup one time.
okay.
Yes.
So after that, we
So you got your big setup
Yes.
client from IWD.
IWD, yes, in initial stage, yes, definitely, and we are blessed for that.
Amazing, Mirima.
Yes.
If you are listening to this podcast, great job.
That
And,
beach setup you won't believe. We did that, and then she has put a post in her group.
Okay.
And next day, I think it had so many comments under that.
Yeah.
And she has passed on our number for that. And after that, I can say almost for 1 year, we were doing 2 to 3 beach setup every week.
Okay.
Every week.
So every other day, I can say
we
all
were-
my pregnancy days I have spent in front of beach.
Is it?
Yes.
Nice. And any goof up parties you remember, like, where you have to jump in last minute and you got that, no, this is not the thing or not the time that this goof up should happen in the party now.
Yeah, it happened. It happened.
It happens?
recently.
Yeah?
It recently happened. Actually, what happened? It was a beach setup again. Not for it's a birthday.
Okay.
It's a baby birthday, first birthday. And as you know, for first birthday,
First,
parents are
so-
too much excited for that. Now on that day, we have to do one number with the LED. Okay, so
Okay.
we have to do it with the batteries. Now we already check everything before coming to beach that everything was worked properly. That time when we start, suddenly boom, and
Short circuit?
yes,
Short circuit, yes.
and it's gone. And then we thought, oh my god,
The entire
now we'll
setup
do-
was gone.
Yeah, because
I
it's a
mean,
beach setup, so we
yes.
need lights.
Yes, exactly. So
without-
it was dark.
Yeah, it was dark.
Yes.
And then we
my
thought, oh my god,
goodness.
my
And
heart
this
is like
was-
shaking.
This happened how many hours before the event?
No, a few minutes before.
Few minutes
you can
before.
say.
Okay.
Before the moment,
Yeah.
the moment we reached there, first thing we checked is our battery.
Okay.
We check it at home also. We reach there, we do it, we
Yes.
check it once again. So it was all set. We had no, I can say, we were not worried or we were not, thinking whether it will work or not. We were very sure it is going to work. And the last moment it stopped. She plugged
Because of
in,
the short
she
circuit,
plugged in
huh?
the wire, and then the moment she plugged in, it flickered and it was gone.
Oh
So
my
last
goodness.
moment,
Yeah.
the client was there in front of me. I can see her walking and coming to the setup. When I had to switch on the light, it was all dark.
What was your mental
And-
state that time?
That type, nothing. Patiently, I told the client that you have to wait for 10 minutes. Let me fix it. Just give me 10 minutes, I'll fix it. And then she was actually upset, I can say, because she was first birthday moms are always, on seventh cloud. They want to do a lot of things for their babies. This is the first time they're doing it, right? The birthday party.
Yeah.
So
They must
they're
be in
always,
cloud nine,
having a
yeah.
lot of
Yes.
things
And
in mind.
excitement,
You
yes.
can't upset them. You can't do this. And then, but we had no choice, right? So we.
So did the party happen?
Yes, yes.
She was
You
not.
managed?
She was not ready to stop actually.
Yes.
So I told the client that last minute this thing has happened. You have to wait for 10 minutes at least.
Okay.
Give me 10 minutes, I'll fix it. But she was actually very upset, and believe me, I was not able to look into her eyes and tell her.
Yeah.
So we were
I can
completely.
imagine, yeah.
Yes. It was like if I am there on her place, I will feel the same thing.
Correct.
I knew that moment. So then we were trying to fix it. She was not ready to stop. She has done cake cutting without light. She
was
has
so-
done it.
Okay.
She was so angry, desperate also, and what I can say maybe
Upset
and
also, right? Because
Upset
it's a
also,
first,
yes.
yeah. True.
But she has done that. So, but luckily we had someone to help us out, and we have fixed it last moment. It was done after 15-20 minutes.
So who was there to help you
So,
both?
one of our friends, she was also there,
Huh.
and her husband, we needed a wire, and we had one number with LED extra. So we have cut that wire, we have put it over there, we have fixed it last moment, and finally it was working.
And
It
and
was
you managed
functional.
all this in how many minutes?
15 to
15
20
minutes.
minutes.
Oh, great
We were
job.
not even equipped. So whatever tools we had in car, we used,
We used
all
that.
those things.
So now, if any blackout is happening, you are there. You already know how to fix wires
We-
and get it done.
Yes, we are coming from, that species. There are two types of girls who are actually girls,
Okay.
And we are carpenters, we can say.
In our purse, you can't find any makeup kit or anything.
You can't
We have a scissors, cable ties, or
all
batteries.
this.
All these
so
things
no
we have.
makeup, nothing.
Nothing.
So hardly,
Nothing.
we have to purposefully place makeup items in our purse,
Yes.
You may not
I
find
must
it every
say,
time.
you have re-engineered not only your career and passion or profession, you have re-engineered your
Purses also.
handbags
Yes,
also
yes,
and purses.
yes.
Seriously, and great job. And this
Yes.
is how you have to do things because
Yes,
the demand and the client expectation is so high. One of the best compliment that you have received from a client, which you remember till date.
There are many actually.
Yeah, one of the
till
best
now.
of yours and one of the best of yours, or maybe together.
Okay, I can say when there is a one, that baby shower we did, and
Yes.
we actually her husband arranged everything. He told us to do everything for because
So for baby shower.
yeah, baby shower. It's a traditional baby shower, so we done everything with real flowers and everything. We place a big jhula for her. We arrange photography, videography, host, live music, everything we done from A to Z, everything. So after that, I told him that please write something for us on our Google review on that, and he write a big essay, that big one.
Yeah,
And,
about your work.
Yeah,
Yes.
and he appreciate us so nicely, and it's a, like a full heart of I'm so happy.
Oh, great! And this is how your word of mouth helps,
Yes,
right?
yes,
And
yes.
Yes.
and any special memories you
there are
have?
few, when the client will hold your hand and grab you and hug you,
Yeah.
immediately, like, I'm so glad, so happy. Like, recently there was a client, I'll take her name, Rupal, I remember.
Yeah, that
I told her
first
to write a
birthday.
review for me. That day, even she was so happy, so glad after the event also. When I went there, she was like, I will send someone to collect the stuff and all. She was like, no, you come. I want to meet you personally.
Okay.
I met her again. I went there and I met her and she hugged me. Next day, she wrote review. Not only one platform. I think in IWD she wrote, in our page she wrote, Google review she wrote. So she was like, I will write it everywhere you want. She was so glad.
And how you both celebrate this kind of success together?
Oh, we don't, wait for this actually.
Okay. You
We
don't wait
almost
for
celebrate
feedback.
immediately after we are done with the setup.
Is it?
Once
How?
we are done, we look, we look at each other and like, wow, what we have done. See,
Wow, it's so beautiful.
How you do it? Can you show it? How you do it?
One of us will start this.
Huh.
If
How you
I,
do it? Can you show it to us?
If that's me, like,
Huh.
I'll be like, see, pal, what we have done.
Okay.
We can't imagine, what we have seen in the picture. This is something, far better than that. We will start praising ourselves. So we don't wait for anybody else.
So you
to
support
do
each
this.
other and you congratulate
And then
each
one
other.
of us will be like, see, we only do this. We are not waiting for others to do it.
Oh my God, हमने आज तो कर दिया यार. क्या कमाल का लग रहा
Okay,
है.
let's do a short 1 minute. Suppose you have done this podcast setup. Like how you will praise each other.
हमने कर दिया यार.
See, we have done it.
We are
See,
too
I
good.
told you we can do this.
We are too good, yeah.
We are too good, huh? We're too good like this,
Excellent. So you are the biggest supporter of each other. And
Yes.
this is how has your friendship influenced your business?
Of course. Yes.
How has
So-
your friendship now coming to whenever you are sad or you got some bad feedback from the client or event didn't happen properly as per the client expectation, in that also how you support each other, like how you manage each other?
We learn from our mistakes. This is the first thing. Okay, we thought that time that okay, these things are not up to the mark, and for next time we have to take care of this. And these
Okay.
are the now first thing we have to take care of this.
And you
We
make
will-
sure
we'll
that
make
you have
sure
learned.
we will do something best next time, and it will not happen again.
And do you approach the client again, like if something has happened? Okay.
Of course, of
Of
course.
course.
Okay. So
Even
you do that.
we apologize for that.
Yes.
What if it is not up to the mark, client, we couldn't deliver or whatever it is, we frankly and I can say we ourselves would love to talk about that and tell the client also.
And be transparent
be
with
transparent
them.
about it, yes.
And even
Okay.
sometimes we take less amount also. Whatever
Yes.
we
We
decide.
tell them
So you
to pay
compromise.
whatever
Yes.
they want.
What is your pricing strategy?
Pricing strategy, I can say, first thing, we cannot go beyond clients' budget, right? So everybody comes with a budget. So we try to fit maximum in that budget. If we have to purchase something, every time there is always, something and something we purchase for the client. We customize things, customize name, entry boards, and all printing cost we have to manage. So I can say for pricing, like, I'll not bind it with, any kind of, I can say, number or something. But I have to keep in mind that I have to charge fairly. We are not in a race. There is always someone who is charging less.
Correct, because there's so many competition,
Yes,
right? in
we
this
cannot
market.
participate in that race and we'll be like, I'll charge 50 or 100 less and I'll get the work. We are not in that race.
Okay.
We are charging fairly, we are delivering fairly, and I can say we always plan, like, some part of the amount will go for the purchase, like whatever we are purchasing for the event, printing we are doing. So some part of it will go for that, some part will go for our labor also, whoever we are hiring for that. Some part will go to our pocket.
Definitely for your
That's
effort.
our vitamin M. So we can't compromise on that also. And see, everybody is working for money.
Yes, definitely.
So-
And you customize the requirements and you are very
Yes.
transparent to the
Yes.
client.
Yes.
On what
So
you do.
instead of racing with others for the lowest price and all that, we literally tell the client, see, you have to trust us with this. We will deliver what we have promised. And for amount, if you're finding somebody else cheaper or this, sometimes we have seen clients coming and telling us, last time I got it done with someone else because he or she charged me less. and then I'm regretting for that, and then they'll come to us.
Okay.
So I have
Because
as I have
quality
told,
matters.
Quality matters,
Yes,
I have
of
told like
course.
that name I have taken, Rupal. She went to someone else for one more event, and then she was, I'll not take anybody's name,
Yeah,
but she
yeah.
regretted like anything. She was like, it was like not an event. It was like a suffering for her. So
So
she
they
was like,
realized and she's back.
she realized,
back.
and she was
Yeah.
like, this time I want you only to do this.
Okay, okay.
So this is how she came to me,
Yeah.
and we delivered.
And out of both of you, who manages clients the most of
She
the
is
time?
more active in that thing, I can say.
Okay, so you are more into client
Yes,
management.
yes,
Okay, and you?
Finance management.
So in a business, definitely one client management,
Of
one's
course.
finance management.
Yes.
I can
Yes.
see the twinkle in your eyes when we talk about vitamin M.
We
And-
love that.
Yeah. This is because it is from
Yes.
the place you are from, or it is like
I think that's in our blood, Gujju
Yes,
blood,
Gujju blood.
Okay, okay.
We can't ignore it.
And good to know that. And
Business in our blood,
in your blood, yes, definitely. And one of the richest man is from that place.
Since childhood, I was listening to this, my mom used to say, like, if she will, take somebody's name, like in family, his or her son, or like, he's like, patthar madhi paisa pade. Like, this is how we say, like, so he or she will, make money out of a rock.
Okay.
See?
So this is
how-
the message
this was
that
the
have-
mindset. Yes,
It
since
has
childhood.
instilled in your mind.
Yes.
So,
Can you say that again, please?
patthar madhi paisa pade.
Okay.
This
And
is
what does that
we
mean? That you will
say.
get money?
That means someone who can make money out of stones.
So this is the thing
This is
that's
the
in your
art.
place. Art
Yes,
art
this
of
is the
making
art
money.
of making
Art of
money.
making
Okay, excellent. And saying that, what is the last message that you want to give to all aspiring entrepreneurs who are actually looking to start their career in event management?
Event management, I can say there is no particular school where you will go and learn everything overnight. So we learn step by step. But the first step is capital. And believe me, trust me, you can start it with zero capital. Because
Okay.
we have done it. So I can say starting an event management business from scratch, building a clientele, managing them, and growing overnight, can't happen, overnight, I can say. But you have to go step by step, have patience, and start with a limited amount. It's fine. But as you go on, you have to limit that.
Yeah, and you can scale it up afterwards, but
Yes.
start small.
Yes. So we have built it over 4 years, and I can say we still have a long run. This is just a beginning. We are still at the beginning, I can say. We have to capture. We have to cover a lot.
Okay.
And we are on the way. But yeah, try to spend minimum and gain maximum with your hard work, with your ideas, with your strategies, and finance management. That's important.
That's the key. Yeah.
That's the
How
key.
about you, Payal?
I can say time management is also very, very important. Give your best time to your kids, your family, and also with business. I can
You
say-
prioritize, yeah.
Yes, yes, you must. Otherwise, see, if your family is not supporting you, you will not going too far
Okay.
for any work. I can say for ourselves, we say our kids and husbands both help us a lot in
In
our
managing.
journey and managing
Yeah.
everything. Second thing, I can say customer satisfaction is your first priority.
So build on word of mouth.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Always try to deliver what you promise. And if you can't do, don't promise.
Yeah. Don't overpromise and
Don't
underdeliver.
overpromise and under-deliver. Don't do that. If you do, just tell that, okay, this thing will definitely come. For this, I have to check, or maybe I can't do. But we have to tell the truth.
But if you are over delivering and client is overpaying, that is okay.
Yeah, that is
Of
fine.
course. Of course.
and they're ready to overpay and everything, then we are very
We are ready.
happy.
We are ready.
Very
for
nice,
that.
and congratulations. Actually, you have set a role model with your friendship and how you have capitalized on your friendship and made this business stand in 4 years, and starting from 1 to 600 clients, managing them in a span of 4 years, and starting with zero capital and zero marketing, like paid marketing for promoting your business. It's mind blowing. And For our audience, if you want to share like how they can reach out, because it's wonderful to know that you are handling clients from starting 10, 100 AD. Yeah, so if you
Yes.
can please tell our audience how can they reach you out.
Yes, we are available at social media, a lot of platforms we are available. We are named as partybuzz.dxp on Facebook, Insta. We are on Google also now. We have website. We are working on it. Of course, we are saving cost and we are trying to design it ourselves. So it may take little long, but we will be, ready with that also soon. So you'll find plenty of good reviews on that, and I think that will be enough for you to be confident and trust us as client.
Yes. Trust me, when you come to Party Buzz, you will not regret because we create and you celebrate.
Yes.
Amazing. And what about the future of Party Buzz in next few years? Because you said that you just started. You feel you are just
Yes.
started.
Yes.
So what is the future of Party Buzz?
We want to be a best leading company for event and weddings in another next 5 years.
In UAE?
Yes.
Okay.
We have our team ready actually. We have our kids, future CEOs we have. They are also amazing, believe me. Our kids will, come up with ideas, come up with things, and Mama, you can try this, you can do this.
So they also are
So,
participating
yes.
right
yes,
now.
yes.
Very
They are
good.
also playing a vital role, I can say, in our progress.
So they want to take Party Buzz to the next level?
Of course, of course.
They
They are
want to
ready.
become a
They are all
businesswoman.
set.
I have a twins, and they both want to become a businesswoman, and they want to grow our Party Buzz.
Yes.
Very good to see like how mothers have flourished their friendship, and now kids, the second generation, has also getting into it. And wishing you both very good luck. You said that you are very creative and innovative in handling events. So I have a game and a competition for both of you to see how you are innovative and creative on spot. And I'll be giving hypothetical events which
Okay.
I want to design it, and let's see who is answering first. And we will see and how it will continue. Whoever knows the answer or is the fastest one has to blow the horn, and
Okay.
we will take the call like who is doing it and who's doing
Done.
at the very fastest first,
Done.
and then we will declare a winner at the end.
Wow.
So ready?
Okay.
Get
And what I will get if I win?
that's a secret. That's a surprise. So definitely it's not vitamin M, but
But we also love gifts.
yeah. So unfortunately, I cannot give to both of you. I have to give to
One.
the
Who is
to
the winner?
whoever is winning.
Okay.
Yeah. So all ready? So
Yes,
get set, go to Party Buzz. Now,
Okay.
please hear me out. The question, don't blow the horn before the question, or else you'll be disqualified.
Okay.
My first hypothetical event. A client wants a themed party based on a movie that hasn't been released yet. How do you plan the event and make it spectacular without any visual reference? Payal,
Okay. When you say a movie, so
which has not been released.
not been released, but at least he know that it is Bollywood, Tollywood, or English movie.
Yeah.
So when we say about like it's a Tollywood, so we know it's a spectacular, some dance moves, then some fighting scenes, and some vibrant colors.
Okay.
So we go something on that era,
Okay.
and we think something about that. in
Do you
that.
agree on that?
Yes, and I think we may have poster at least. When the movie is declared, definitely we'll get to see the poster. A poster will tell a lot of things, like we can say the actor's look and what will be the theme, like something we'll know at least.
So you develop from that.
We'll play around that. Yes.
Points to Payal. Okay.
Thank you.
Now, second theme. You have a limited budget. Maybe we'll take 50 AD. Okay. You have a limited budget, but you need to create a grand wedding decor. No, wedding cannot
No,
be
no,
50.
no.
Okay.
Normal
Maybe
birthday.
1000 AD you can say.
Okay. Okay, I'll limit it to 10,000 AD. Okay.
Okay,
You have a
okay.
limited budget, but you
Okay.
need to create a grand wedding decor that looks luxurious. How would you manage this?
We can do that easily actually.
How?
So that's not actually tough. I can say the first thing is we may not have all the stuff right? Because it is limited, the budget is limited, we cannot spend also a lot.
Okay.
But we can definitely collaborate with other event planners who already have that.
Oh,
And
nice.
together
Collaboration.
we can do that.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
we can do that together.
Huh.
Because every event planner will not have same set of inventory.
So you will collaborate
So-
and you will be cost effective.
Yes, yes.
Brilliant. You agree with that? I think yes, you got it spot on. Now the third question. An outdoor event is suddenly hit by unexpected weather changes, which you already have. No, wait,
can go in
don't
before
play or
that.
you'll be disqualified. What's your immediate plan of action to ensure that event occurs smoothly?
I
Yes.
can say that easily. This is what has happened with us a lot of times, I can say.
Okay.
Because outdoor events are always like this.
Yes.
Yeah, very risky.
Yes,
Some
very
day it is
risky.
rainy, some day it is windy, some day like you may find
Sandstorm,
it very
yeah.
sandstorm,
Yeah, very
or it is too humid. The paper plates will literally look like soggy. So this is what happens with us each and every time. But believe me, we have to be equipped for these events. So beginning we have faced it. And luckily, I can say she was God. We had one more lady doing setup next to us, and she helped us with a few
Okay.
things.
Okay.
But that day, she told us one thing: you have to be equipped when you want to do outdoor
that's a
events.
learning.
That's a learning.
Yes, we learn.
And then now we, if we need one stand, we take two stands.
Okay.
So we always have spare items. And still, sometimes blunder happens.
Okay. Yeah.
But we see till date. I can
You have
say
that jugaad
luckily
technique.
we have
and we managed by somehow
we have managed
managed.
but somehow somebody came and helped
By
us,
having
but
all these tools and everything in your
so
purse.
when you
Yes.
have
Yeah.
will you have the way.
Yes.
I can say
I go with that.
And God is always
always
with
there
us.
to help
God
us.
is great.
God is
Yeah?
great
Yes.
and is always with us. We
Yes, yes.
feel
Always
that
with
actually.
us.
Very great to listen and hear that. Now back to the fourth question. A high-profile client a high-profile client wants a surprise element at their event that has never been seen before. What innovative idea would you come up with?
I think it was together.
Same time, okay. Yeah, I will hear from both of you. Yes.
Recently this has happened. I can say people come up with very different ideas, very different requirements, but our job is to deliver them instead of saying no. So I had a client. He wanted 5-minute dance performance
Okay.
on his wife's favorite song.
Okay.
So this is what he wanted. The song was not like known. Even I heard the name first time. Even I don't remember it today also.
Okay.
So he sent me some poster, some CD poster,
Huh.
and then post a picture. And then he was like, on this song, the guy has to dance. And morning 5 o'clock, he sent me advance that today afternoon 4 o'clock, I want this to be done. Okay. He wanted a cake as well with that. So morning 5 o'clock, 5:30, I called a few of the dancers I know. And then I was like, you have to do this. Can you do this? Can you do this? And then my husband asked, what happened? What is wrong with you? Like, it is only 5:30 and what are you doing? I was like, better you go out and talk to someone. They were all sleeping. And then I got started with the calls and all. Finally, I found someone who can do that performance. I told my cake lady, you have to bake it today only. And by 4 o'clock, it has to be on the door, on client's door. So by 4 o'clock, both the things were there.
Okay.
So my dancer, he took the cake and he went inside the...
So he became the delivery boy.
Yeah,
He
delivery boy.
delivered the cake as well as he danced 5 minutes. And then he was like, actually, it was this much only. Is it done? 5 minutes I have done my dance performance. I was like, yes, this is what you have to do.
And this is how you manage. So now coming back to the fifth question, and this will be deciding factor. No, but Margi has answered more than you are.
Okay.
You are already a winner. But let's see. This is the last question, and who will be answering it? You are tasked with planning a children's party, but the kids are from various age group, maybe from year 1 to teens. How do you ensure that the event is engaging for everyone?
I think she did it first.
Yeah, I'll go with
Okay.
Payal.
This happens actually in any birthday. There is a, like, suppose it's a first year birthday boy, okay, birthday, but in their group there are lots of other couples who have different types
Age
of
group.
age groups there.
And children are very demanding.
Very demanding, yeah. Sometimes some are 5 years, 7, 9. So for that we have a host. we have a different type of host. We have Indian host who can arrange all games for adults. We have a normal host who can do all games for kids for all ages at the
Okay.
same time.
Okay.
So one by one he do, and the same time he arrange everything properly, and everyone has will be have fun.
Oh, okay. Because kids these days, if they're bored, they are so blunt,
yeah.
and they will not wait. They will
Yeah.
be started cribbing
Yeah.
like, you know, I'm bored, I'm bored,
and
I'm
even
bored. Yeah.
even we have magic show also.
Okay, so who does
yeah,
that? Okay.
the magic show will everyone love.
Okay.
Yeah, adult or kids, so they enjoy this.
Thank you so much and lovely answers, and it was great chatting with both of you. And clearly, we have winner. As Margie as our winner. So congratulations, Margie, and you deserve the surprise. Unfortunately, it's not vitamin M. So thank you both of you for coming to the podcast and sharing your
you.
inspiring story. It
Thank
was
you.
pleasure having you.
Thank you so much.
Even we are very glad to be part of it. It was, frankly speaking, it was our first time to a podcast. But we have never thought you will make us feel so comfortable, so easy. And it will be, you know, just like, you know, in a flow. And it was amazing, I can say.
Thank you
We
so
thoroughly
much.
enjoyed it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and
Yes,
that's how we
you.
bring party vibes.
Yes, yes.
Thank you so
Thank you
much
so
and
much.
have a lovely day. If you have any re-engineered story to share, please reach out to us at Re-engineered Club Podcast in our Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And keep listening to our all inspiring stories who have set an example and role model that everything is possible if you re-engineer your life. Thank you so much and stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you.